Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Kumar Kashyap. I have secured All India rank 9 in GATE 2020 from Mechanical Engineering. I belong to Dhanbad, Jharkhand, and I graduated from BIT Sindri in 2018. I took ACE OTS, which helped me a lot in my GATE preparation, and I will enlist some points of my preparation journey which will help my juniors to get their success. First of all, mentally be very determined that you have to follow the journey and you have to crack the examination, because mental preparation is the foremost part of the preparation. After that, enlist all the subjects and their topics as per their syllabus. Don't go beyond the syllabus, because that will be spare, that it will not help you in cracking your examination. And after knowing the syllabus, you have to find the resources which should be authentic, and those resources can be coaching class ACE Engineering coaching class notes. They can be NPTEL videos, but be very careful with NPTEL videos that they also give a lot information outside the syllabus, so you have to be careful about that. Okay, and after that you have to find questions to practice which should be as per the level of the GATE and a little above the GATE level. And after that you should go for revision and test series. Like, I have classified my whole journey in the 4 parts: first concepts, practice, test series and revision. And one very important thing, that all the 4 things should go hand in hand. It should not happen that first of all I will cover the whole syllabus, then I will revise. No, this should not happen. You should cover the syllabus and simultaneously you should revise. Like, otherwise this vast syllabus could not be revised after completing all this syllabus. Okay, then do the concepts on the daily basis and practice questions from it. Revise the previous subjects that you have completed and give test series of the chapters which you are going on. And after that, for revision, a very important thing, that is short notes. For the last 1 month I only consulted my short notes for my rapid and throughout revision. And in test series, what you have to do in test series, don't see your marks, don't see your rank initially. You should only focus on your mistakes and the pattern of mistakes that you are doing. What I used to do, I used to note down all my mistakes and I used to revise all those mistakes, and after revising all those mistakes I found out that I am doing a particular pattern of mistakes, and after knowing this I judged myself that how I can rectify my mistakes, and continuously I worked on those mistakes and improved my test series, and as a result automatically your rank and your performance in the test series will improve. And in the test series, one thing very important that you should note, that try to practice your mind to handle the pressure, because one thing is there, that you can solve a question very easily when you are not in pressure, but during the examination your mind is under pressure. So train your mind to work normal under pressure. This is a very important thing. These things are neglected, so focus on these things. And from my side, all the very best for examination, and surely you will crack your examination with very good score. Thank you.